Alihan, it's about time to talk about the elephant in the room, don't you agree?
Right, let's talk. Mabuti pa.
What do you want to know?
Didn't Halit tell you?
It's about my late husband and his past, di ba? Yun ang alam ko.
Oh. Listen. I don't know how to say this because I don't want to upset you. Kamamatay lang ng asawa mo recently.
Go ahead, I'm fine, don't worry.
All right. Your late husband and my mom, they had a relationship. In the past when I was very young.
I know.
Noong una pa lang, alam mo na.
Oo, matagal ko nang alam.
If that's the case, why stay? Bakit hindi mo siya divorce?
Because I didn't have a job or my own money. Kapag ngayon nangyari yun, I don't know if I'll do the same. Nakaasa ako sa kanya dati. Wala akong sariling pera. I was waiting for him to end things with her.
Did they love each other?
Yes.
I don't understand. Paano? Paano mo natiis na may ibang mahalang asawa mo during all those years?
Mahirap. But I truly loved him.
Baba, did my father know about this? Or did he love her too much to care?
Alihan, ang baba mo kasi, puro trabaho lang ang iniisip niya dati. He didn't know. He didn't even suspect anything.
Mrs. Nerva, I saw them together.
That must have been a shock.
That's right. Habang tumatanda ako, lalo akong nagagalit sa mama ko dahil dun.
You're right. Pero in the end, kailangan nating magpatawad.